Let me show you how you guys can add family members to Amazon Prime account. It's pretty simple. You don't have to do anything. So what you want to do is just give your login detail to your family member. So in Amazon Prime is pretty simple. You just need to have an Amazon Prime's family member subscription. What that allows you to do is if you have a family member subscription, if 2 or 3 people or more, like 4 people, depends on whatever subscription you have, are using Amazon account at the same time, it allows it to run. If you have an individual person subscription, the moment someone else logs in into the account, you will be logged out automatically, or like you can't watch anything. That's what basically happens. So if you have a family subscription, what you can do is just give your Amazon account to your family member, like your email, password, the login detail. If they are logging into Amazon Prime for the first time, they're going to receive a message called enter a verification code. So a verification code is going to be sent to your mail or phone number, whatever thing you used when you created your Amazon Prime account. You need to enter the code, and once that code is entered, that device is going to be registered into your Amazon account. So next time if you try to log in into Amazon, it's not going to ask for the code again. So once it does that, he logs in into your account. Once they log in into the account, they can click on my account at the bottom right and click on Luffy. So in my case, it shows Luffy. In your case, whatever username you have on your Amazon account, it's going to show that. So click on that and click on the plus new option. This basically allows you to create a new profile. Just like inside Facebook, you have different profiles. You can create different profile for different types of content recommendation. You can choose adult or kid and click on continue. And from here, just enter a name. Once you enter a name, basically you can just click on save at the bottom, and a new account will be created inside your Amazon account. So next time they log in, they can just choose their account. For example, mine is Luffy. I can click that and start watching content. So that's how we guys can add family members to Amazon Prime account. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.